When it comes to finish work, the CRAFTSMAN V20 20V Max 18-gauge nailer kit was built to perform. This 100% cordless nailer eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, and fuel cartridges. This nailer has extensive runtime, firing over 400 nails on a single charge. The easy-to-use depth adjust dial provides consistent results. Easily remove jam nails with a tool-free design, and if you need to work in low light conditions, dual LEDs have you covered. Plus, a contoured overmolded handle and included belt hook provide comfort and convenience. Give every job 100% with quality tools like the V20 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.
Hi there, I'm Liam and I'm here to give you a first-hand look at the Ryobi Airstrike 18-gauge cordless brad nailer, a customer favorite that will help you dominate your DIY building and remodeling projects. With the performance of a pneumatic nailer, the Airstrike 18-gauge brad nailer is powered by the Ryobi ONE+ 18V battery system, giving you up to 1,000 nails per charge, eliminating the need for noisy compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges. This nailer includes convenient features like toolless depth of drive adjustment to help you set nails exactly where you need them. And a toolless jam release makes it easy to clear out jammed nails. Also featuring grip light LED technology, this nailer has a built-in grip switch to shed extra light on your work surfaces, giving you maximum visibility and versatility. And as part of the Ryobi ONE+ family, the 18-gauge brad nailer will work with any Ryobi 18V battery. Pick up yours now at the Home Depot and nail down your next project.
For over 100 years, PorterCable has provided and serviced quality power tools for the professional woodworker and tradesman. Tools engineered to deliver high-quality, professional results at a great value. We continue this legacy with the introduction of the newest addition to the PorterCable 20V Max system of tools, the 18-gauge straight brad nailer. Operating on the 20V Max 4.0 amp-hour battery means more nails per charge. The flywheel mechanism provides power and consistency, while tool-free settings allow quick adjustments and simplified troubleshooting. Along with multifunctional LED lights, a range of other convenient features make jobs easier. The lightest in their class, the lightweight design, handle ergonomics, and a balanced center of gravity provide comfort during extended use. Eliminate the need for big, noisy compressors, hoses, or costly fuel cartridges. This translates into less setup and breakdown time, and effortless maneuvering on the job. No hose, no compressor, no gas. The PorterCable 20V Max finishing tools. The power you need at the price you want.
DEWALT gets you right to work with cordless confidence. Introducing 4 new additions to our ever-expanding 20V Max XR cordless nailer lineup. The DEWALT 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer, equipped with a micro nose for line of sight and accuracy of nail placement. The 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, versatile yet agile to take on a variety of projects and provides you with the hold you need without holding you back. The 15-gauge angled finish nailer, incorporating a micro nose for accuracy where it counts and ready to finish what you started. The 18-gauge flooring stapler. It's ready to install flooring from 3/8 inch to 5/8 inch with ease. Framing, flooring, finish, completely cordless from start to finish. Part of our ever-growing family of nailers, DEWALT. Guaranteed tough.
Made to fit where other tools can't. Reach directly into tighter spaces with the new Paslode 18-gauge cordless lithium-ion brad nailer. This is the ideal tool for all your trim projects. This nailer drives each nail flush into all trim for high-quality craftsmanship. At 4¼ pounds, this is the lightest cordless brad nailer on the market for reduced fatigue and increased productivity. Experience the convenience of Paslode cordless. This tool is ready to go when you are. No compressor or hose to manage or put away. The new 18-gauge cordless lithium-ion brad nailer is covered by the Paslode 2-year service promise. If your nailer stops working for any reason, we'll fix it. As with all Paslode tools, this is a durable and reliable nailer designed for the pro. Experience non-stop nailing with Paslode's 18-gauge cordless system.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.